Shemai, this is a ukulele tutorial for Riptide by Vance Joy, and it matches our ukulele play along on my Ukulaliens channel, and I'll pop a link in the description below. Now, I've been meaning to do some more play along tutorials for ages, but there's been so many things going on. But I have been talking to the students in school and asking their opinion on these, and they basically said, look, strum pattern and chords. All right, I'm no singer, I'm the first to admit that, and that's what the play-alongs are for. So what I'm going to do in this tutorial today is just go through the chords, explain how to play those, and explain the strumming patterns, but of course they're only ever suggested. And then the best bet then is to get over to the play along channel on the Ukulaliens to actually play along with it. Okay, so the chords for Riptide, they are nice and easy. A minor to start. How do you play that? You put your second fret on the G string. I tend to use my middle finger. A minor. C, nice easy chord. Third fret on the A string. Another nice easy chord, F. So first fret on the E string and second fret on the G string for our F chord. And then the last chord is a G. So that's going to be second fret on the C string, second fret on the A string, and third fret on our E string. All right, now if you struggle with a G, you can just about get away with a G7, all right, but it's a great one for practicing your G chords. So that's the chords. They are nice and simple and straightforward. The strumming. Now, I put this down as easy on the Ukulaliens because the chords are really quite easy, and there's nothing stopping you just playing a down strum on each chord. Alright, if you just want to play along, that's absolutely fine. But there are a couple of suggested strum patterns. As always, they're only suggestions. If you want to play something completely different, no problem at all. These are the strum patterns that we use in school though. So the first one, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I'll do it nice and slowly to start with. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, get the idea? Now obviously the song is a little bit faster. In school, I try and suggest putting a little bit of an accent or playing the second strum, the second down strum. I'll do it again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And when you're doing that and playing a bit faster, you should get how the song starts. So roughly from the chorus we tend to do the island strum in school, all right? And it should, if you don't know the island strum, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay? You can put a chuck or a chunk onto it. All right, but again, it's entirely up to you. If you want to just play the song with just, that's fine. So there we go, just the quickest of tutorials on this. The whole point of this is just to show you the chords and any strumming, and then you can go over to the Ukulaliens and try the play along with the original song. And just so you know, I haven't altered the tempo on Riptide on the play along. I get loads of comments about it. I've altered the pitch slightly, but the tempo is exactly the original. If you've got any comments or questions about this format with the tutorial, please feel free to leave it below. I do hope this has helped. Give us a like if you've enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.